Ooh. Hey guys, welcome to Gallup Gardens. For this week we are roasting our own nasty pumpkin seeds, and we're dehydrating apples, and we're doing all kinds of good stuff. Taking a break from the fall planting and the maintaining. So come along with us and enjoy. Like and subscribe. All right.
You gotta get the stringy stuff because I don't have.
Okay, I'll get the strings, Sterling. We don't hit. All right. Well, that's good looking right there. We'll get that rinsed off and we'll get those guys roasting. But first, what do you think, Sterling? First, we need to do some carving, huh? Yeah. Let's take these guys inside real quick.
It's kind of pink on the inside.
Ooh. Yeah. What do you think?
I like it a lot better than when we tried them when they were green.
What is this?
You want to try this pepper? Are you okay?
It's hard to carry on. It's heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy.
Look
Mmm.
at that poor kitty alone.
Is that good?
Play?
Good? No?
Yeah.
Okay, well I don't need to waste it.
No.
Don't give it to
Oh,
that
no.
pup.
This is a pecan shell that he spit out.
Oh, so he kept it?
Yes, I think he likes the pepper.
Here, let me have a bite. No, I don't.
I don't want that bite. Oh my gosh.
Mm-hmm. Thank you, stink bug. Yeah, pretty good. All right, you kids gonna give a tutorial on how to carve pumpkins?
Cut the top off.
And then what?
Scoop out the rest.
And then,
Carve it.
okay. 1, 2, 3. That's
Yeah.
the Marley 3-step method to carving pumpkins.
Okay, there's another. Now here.
All right, guys. Let me show you how to make the perfect roasted pumpkin seeds. So, what you want to do is brine them. But you've got to clean them and you've got to soak them. And what happens is the meat of the pumpkin sinks and the seeds float. So, you want to soak them in a very, very salty water in the brine. Add a little bit of seasoning, salt and pepper. And I'm going to add a little bit of onion powder, just for a little bit of flavor, and a little bit of garlic powder. Nothing too crazy. A lot more salt. Yeah, look at that. And then add your pumpkins back in there. There we go. Well, I'll get my stirring stick. Okay. I'm going to stir all that up so that salt dissolves. And as you can see, the seeds float and the meat sinks. So we're going to let this soak for a little bit till it cools down to where I can touch it with my hands. And then we're going to just skim the top off with the fingers. And then we'll strain all that through, and then we'll get them ready to roast. Alright guys, so they've been soaking in the brine for a while, and they've separated from the meat. And we just throw them in the little skimmer. And it's cooled down enough. Ooh, it's Still a little warm, but it's not too bad. Oh, see that one? There, that guy's got to go. So every year I've done this. And every year I've mixed these things with oil and rock salt or some kind of crap. And they always come out greasy. Greasy! And this year I'm going to brine them and then roast them without any oil at all. And I think we're going to get a much better batch. Okay guys, so here's our next step to getting them just right. So what we want to do is boil them, which means we got to add a little more salt, a little more spice. Oh man, we're out of pepper. That's okay. A little more garlic. There we go. So yeah, a little more garlic, a little more onion powder. And we're going to add these guys back in. We're going to boil them for about 10 minutes. And then we're going to dry them. So, too easy. You just throw them right in there. Oh yeah. Let them do their thing. We're going to boil these guys for about 10 minutes. And then we're going to put them on the dehydrator to do a little quick dry. Check out next week's video where we are rehabilitating the kitchen herb garden, and you'll see where I'm working with the rosemary and the cilantro and the oregano. But anyway, I just picked this out of the backyard, out of the side yard, in the kitchen herb garden right out the front door. So I guess that'd be the front yard, I don't know. And you know, as we're going from, oh yeah, we're going from summer to fall, fall to winter. It's kind of nice to have this rosemary, this kind of evergreeny, aromatic smell. We'll get these oils mixed in here. Yeah, it's good stuff. Alright guys, so the pumpkin seeds have been boiled. And this gives them a nice even, so when we roast them, they're cooked thoroughly all the way through. Whoa. There we go. We'll spread these guys out nice and even on the dehydrator. There we go. Alright. We'll let them go for, well, we'll just probably let them dehydrate overnight. And then we'll roast them tomorrow. Alright, and that's it. As you can see, they're lightly toasted. You can really smell the rosemary. Really good. So, yeah, do not use the oil. I've made that mistake several years in a row. They spread out real nice and even. Oh yeah, really good. So, check out next week's video, or the week after, where we are going to dehydrate and spiral some apples.